This instruction is about Canva, an online program for creating graphics. The objectives of this instruction are to explain why use Canva, the applications and uses of the program. It will also cover a brief demonstration. We'll give you some time to set up an account and to practice and test out Canva. And then last I'll show you how to download and share projects. Let's take a moment to think about a time when you needed a quick, easy way to design a graphic. So think about what was your go-to tool for creating graphics. How easy is this tool to use on a scale of 1 to 10, 1 being very difficult or 10 being super easy? And how much time on average does it take you to complete a graphic project? So why use Canva? There are tons of programs out there, but I'd recommend at least trying Canva. Canva is easy to use and easy to teach others, which can be very important in libraries. Projects are auto-saved, which definitely helps with not losing any projects. There are some paid features, but as you'll see in the demo, it is really easy to tell which are free and which cost money. There are tons of cool options, colors, and graphics, plus a lot of design elements that are already incorporated into the program. You can upload your own images, and it's very simple to do. Lastly, downloading and sharing projects is very simple matter and not a very difficult task at all. So what can Canva be used for? This is a short list of some applications you can make graphics for. There are things like social media, blogs, creating headers for websites, making ebook or album covers, marketing materials like posters and flyers. You can create cards, invitations, thank yous, business cards, or you can even create cool things like library instruction handouts. This is just a short list, but you can pretty much create graphics for any of your graphic needs. Alright, so let's take a quick look at Canva. This is the main page. All of your current works that you created are going to be down here in this bottom part. To make a new design, you simply create a new design and click on that button. So this is going to pull up some templates that you can work from. These already have preset sizes, and you can just click on these and it will take you to working from this template. If you have something more specific in mind, over here in the right-hand corner is a button called Use Custom Dimensions. You can click on that and input your own custom width and height. So if, say, you're going to create a web banner, you can put in specific width and height and have it design that. For this demonstration, I am simply going to look at a flyer that I have already created. So let's go back to the home page and we'll load that. We are going to take a look at this flyer that I created called Read to a Kitten Day. So let's go ahead and let that load. So let me show you what the whole page would look like. So this is what the whole page looks like. You'll have your working space here, and then you'll have your selecting space over here. So this is what your flyer is going to end up looking like, and these are the elements that you can integrate into your flyer. Alright, so let's take a look at a couple of things here. So you'll notice that there are some pre-created templates that are specific to the original size template that you had created. So these ones are specific to flyers. You'll notice down here in the right corner this label that says free. That means for this particular design, all of the elements in this layout template are going to be free. If it doesn't have a free label, that means there's going to be a few things that may cost some money. So just keep that in mind while you are designing. The Background tab allows you to select different backgrounds for your flyer. They can be customized by color, or you can just do solid colors for the background. The Elements tab has a lot of cool things like shapes that you can add to your flyer. So if you wanted a square, you could select square. The default color is black for some reason, but you can change that color to being whatever color you'd like. You can also send it back behind a few different elements, so the more you click back, the more things are going to pop up in front of it. You can also have things come forward. You can also select transparency, so if you want it to be slightly invisible or slightly less transparent, you can make it however you'd like. And you can also delete them that way. So some other cool things in Elements, there's also lines. So you can add different kinds of lines to your flyer. There's these cool polka dot type things. So this polka dot thing, you can make it bigger. You can make them huge squares, small squares. You can change the color, and you can delete them, send them forward, backwards. It's pretty simple to use. Some other cool features, so there's this cool search feature. So if you're looking for something specific, so say you're looking for a cat picture, it will pull up a bunch of different pictures of cats that are in Canva's database. A lot of them do cost money, as you'll notice they're about $1 each, but there are some that are free that you can add in there. And it will just keep loading more and more as you scroll down, so there's a lot of different cat pictures in here, so you can select ones you like. There's icons here, so you can click on an icon. So if you like that cat, you can change its color. So this red part, you can change that to being purple, or you can change the blue part. Say you didn't want any of those colors, you can click that plus sign and you can change it to whatever color you'd like. You can also input your own color code here. So if you have something specific in mind or a certain design scheme you're going for, you can change the color there. You can also copy things, so if you wanted a whole bunch of marching cats all over your flyer, you can do that. If you wanted to flip your cat upside down, you can have your cat going upside down as well. So let's go ahead and delete these kitties. So some other cool features, this text. So you can add your own heading, you can add subheadings, and you can add some body to your text. Over here on my flyer, this one right here is a heading. These are subheadings, and this is the text body. So with text, you can select from a wide range of fonts. You can pick any of the ones you like. You can test out a few different kinds. You can change the font color however you like, and then you can also change the size of the font. You can also change if you want it centered, uppercase, if you want to add a link, if you want to change the spacing. There's a lot of customizable features in these design elements. There's also a cool few things down here where you can add these fancy types of letterings. If there's a logo you are going for, you can just add these cool things in there as a design element. A lot of them are free. You would just change the text that's in there. So I'll show you a quick example. If you wanted to use that wolfhound one, you would simply click on that, and you can change the color of the text however you'd like. And then you can also change the text of it, and you can change the color of these lines. So it's pretty cool and easy to customize these things. Another feature is that you can easily upload your own images. So all you have to do is upload your own images here and select them from the file folder. I already had mine set up, and I uploaded these. They are comic characters that my husband created for his comic about cats. So I just went ahead and added the characters into my flyer. So if we wanted to add Zeb, who is missing from the flyer, we would simply click on Zeb, and then you can change him and customize him however you like. Alright, so let's get started. Go ahead and open a browser and go to canva.com. Alright, so let's go ahead and start with Canva. So if you just go to canva.com, and then you can enter your email address here and a password, and then just click sign up. And then it will take you to this prompt, and you'll just go ahead and select education. Then it will take you through this cool little tutorial, so it'll do a 23-second demonstration, and then it will have you actually do it. So you'll just click on show me how it's done, and it will run through its tutorial. Go ahead and take some time now and pause the video and go ahead and set up an account, watch the tutorial, and then take it step by step and practice. Here's a quick look at downloading and sharing. In the top right corner, you'll see two buttons for sharing and downloading. You can hover over those in this image. Sharing enables sharing by Facebook, Twitter, or email. Download enables downloading by JPEG, PNG, or PDF. In the next few slides, we'll do a quick assessment. Go ahead and answer the questions as best as you can. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact me and I will try to answer them. If you are also interested, there is a much more in-depth look at Canva in another video that I created. This is the link for it if you want to take a look. Thank you for watching and have a great day.